Wina Thaa Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja ni umbita kwa Christine WANJERU. Tukiambĩrĩria ntitoni cietu mabica kumarwa ng'eni rwa michetho ni makinyite kuraitha kibaro kya maua ni baria maugite makinyite nyuma ya Thaa akari kwithirwa makingiba muno makienda kibaro kiu kithirwe gikithondekwa na kiwango kiria ibaro iciengi ciethiritwe ikithondekwa na cio nthini ino ya Kenya. Namo makiaria mabica makaunti ya Meru ni maugite makinyite nuntu wa gavana Wira Mwangaza kuromba Rais Ruto ethirwe agiaka kibaro kiu. Dennis Mugendi atariri.
Ni municipality manager wa municipal Maua na rugari tuliongeri timu kuma Sports Kenya ikenda bambiriria mubango yura mheshimiwa gavana arombere rais wetu rira bari na kaelo na rais araua atuma timu itege kiani kia Maua na tunakuiruru ari no tuibu kuona timu iyo ndhe yao kuyambere timu embere kuolelia kiani kia Maua na ora kiumba kubwithirwa na rugari bakuthiurunka bakubwithia bakuyukia ndicho cia bakwenda na bachokete ru kubwithia reports kenda bomba kumenyina ngwe kwambiriria na ingwe kwemba kubwithika ndene kiani kia Maua na ne ari ku bomba kwithirwa bakitetheracia no tungavana na kwenda kiani kia Maua kithirwa stadium ina shima na stadium level ira ingi onto ira ya kinoru na ingi nene na no kuona nyatha iku na ngwe kuendelea kuo mheshimiwa gavana na atumire team na atuma contractor kenda bomba kukilia drain roi
Nchongeri rais wetu nkatho sana His Excellency William Samoei Ruto nonto itara batimanire obichine na mheshimiwa John Paul Mwirigi na abunge bange na State House John Paul naombera kwithira itable Manchester Stadium we naomba kwithira Kiromba Stadium na rais amura akaomba kwithira kamilisha na this stadium wake just bitari yetu ya General Level 4 Hospital mheshimiwa na ari na rais na araba State House mbere tukia siasa ne tukabare bakirura mirandi arakaelo mheshimiwa bombe kwithira bakikoloma na rais bombe kwithira bakiaraniria para ithe social media bombe kwithira bakilaithiria amura atoma team nikende bomba kuyana sibitare General Level 4 Hospital team ne yene ekoloma kwa ki 50 million ya ciumbete kwithira ikiyano na yo koloma bomba kwithira ki approve manto yara na ingwetikia sibitare komba kwithira yite level 5 ko initiative ra mheshimiwa itochogeria His Excellency William Samoei Ruto nkatho nonto initiative ra sibitare nombe kwithira ekinyaniro umbete kwithira kibanga oyele mheshimiwa bambire kwithira bakiari na rais about stadium yetu ntukwenarwa na stadium weru tukona team yumete kwa national government sport Kenya Nairobi na ara mheshimiwa arombete kwithira akiarirwa ni PS ama team we kwamba kwithira kiarwa ari.
Mazungumzo yamekuepo na mazungumzo yataendelea. Na mazungumzo ambayo yamekuepo ilikuwa ni kwamba kulihitajika pahali ambapo watu wanaweza kutumia kwa michezo. Na nafikiri serikali kuu kwa wakati huu imeitikia mwito na ndio tumeweza kufika hapa ili turudi tuende tuandike ripoti. Sidhani kuna wakati wowote ambapo mmewahi kuona timu ikija hapa ikiangalia, ikizungumza, ikikutana na watu. Mimi binafsi ningeweza kutoa hapo mbunge, ningeweza kutoa governor na niseme hilo ni ombi la mwananchi.
Kushanyo iribo gatagati kama MCA na thirikari na negururi ya mishara yao akiaria MC wa Mitheru Tabwena Bat Kinothia ariuga ma MCA marenda mushara wao ithirwe ugitithwa na gicunci kia 49 kana nusu ya mushara uria gavana ethagirwa akiona ariuga ni makuria thina muno indiria marengwa mbia ile irengwa musharani na maritigwa na mbia inini iria ni ngiri 86 aki
MCS ba Kenya ni bathomire memoranda nuntu balienda gutonywa kiri system ya pension gutwika na MCA no gwata pension aritaya na mbesa iria tukugwata nuntu titura twena mwananchi gukuma shinani ni muno nuntu rio nenkerete MCA ngiri 86 gutwika ni musara wae mbesa ile ni muno nuntu no kuonana na mwananchi anaangalia MCA ira no ambulance ya Ntola na mauntu mangi maingi muno na kwina antu baugaga ati gatwengire waziri tutaye na mbara na waziri kayejire kiathoni na tio tuona ta waziri kumare twanauga mbese jiongero gutero twanegwe ikiongero ni waziri yongagirwa ni president ugu muntu ule ugwete kiondo nwe twendaga eja gutwariria twigwa buri akuga tumwira mawoni metu no atiga tutumire muntu teno tethio na nuntu etho kaina mandate etho aina mandate nuntu nitwanenkanire malomba metu no act menau lakini ndona tena mandate kabisa formula eno elio nuntu katiba yetu ira county assembly ne replica ya national assembly na national assembly elio ku oversight president ne tuije musara wa president MP agwataga 49% ya musara wa president neti nuntu turi oversight governor tuliromba formula nuntu elio ne tunenkerwe 49% ya musara wa governor.
Nteto cienge Rais William Ruto na rayomo wa ageni kiri uruguri wa mbuku ya iria yandikitwe ni Aden Duale iria arugurite tukwa gukira muthenya wa umundi ni mbuku ire kwariria rugendo rwawe kuma ari munini mwanka kuthungira siasani na umbani wawe na mathina maria mari njirani na kinyagia maciara nyumani akere Rais Ruto na urite nduke embethi ithirwe kerutaniria muntu ni monde na nyumani makethirwa makiona matunda mamega.
Your Excellency, my journey with you in ODM in 2005, and for record, the only time in my political journey with the President, and he allowed me a sabbatical leave, agreed, was during the 2010 Constitution. And I told him, Your Excellency, you know that few key areas that are dear to the community and the region I come from. The card is caught. And today when I look back, I am so proud that even during that referendum, where the former Prime Minister, the former President, the former Vice President, the whole government was on one side and you on the other side, you managed to get behind you over 2.5 million Kenyans.
Aden Duale is a solid, trusted, and dependable friend and Kenyan. I have walked and worked with him for 16 years. In that 16 years, we've gone through every kind of political experience and situation imaginable. In ODM, in UDM, in Jubilee, together we founded a political home in URP, in UDA, and finally in Kenya Kwanza. Bare is a trusted and trustworthy person and has no time and place for political betrayal, backstabbing, and the use and dump philosophy perfected by many. I don't want to say who. The younger politicians can learn from us that loyalty pays. It's paid for me. I'm sure it's paid. We all know it has paid for Duale. It's good to be genuine about friendships. It's good to be loyal to friendship. And it's also good also to speak your mind when times calls for speaking your mind.
Aciari ni mauretue ni matige kubithaga ciana iria ciena mawathe nuntu ntuko ino kwina kithomo kiria ciana ino enkiomba kuthoma na igatuika cia gitumi muno kiri matura metu. Akiaria abisha munene wa Ugima Tharaka Sauta Weza Berio Njagi na ugitentere cia Tharaka kwina obatu wa skuru cia mawathe kuongerwa nuntu ni imwe ake gutungatira antu ntereno akioragia aciari kwambararia ciana ino cia mawathe.
batongorere tu ndagitari munene kiri cibitari Marimati level 4 muthenya kwemde ndagitari aba barariongera rito bachukuria kamatungu for the day
ndi twabanga kuyaga gukenera kana kurianira amwe na ana baba kamatungu school for hearing impaired no ntukinyabo na ana betu ibabati gukurua na ibabati gukarua bwega kwa utona tutiokara na ara twinka twe nurses on behalf of Tharaka Nithi County nurses twabanga tuye tuone ana baba kamatungu school for the hearing impaired kenda na nabo begwa bari party ya mugongo wa nthiguru na migambo rambo bakwira ana baba ya kubanenkera encouragement na ati bando baina maisha mamega mautora murungu endelee kubatharima bonekanire bwega bathome bwega batwike very good nurses tatigo gutureaga na baombe kumenyekana nthiguru ya Kenya kana kuma Tharaka Nithi County. Disability is not inability. Ndirimwira cionthe baina chukana kiroto kionthe kira baina kio maishani bakaomba wa achieve na turathurire ana baba bakamatungu special school iki no nto bwa kuthiana na muoroto gwa kana mandate ya governor wetu wa Tharaka Nithi County His Excellency Muthomi Njuki wa leaving no one behind.
Bona njege kiririkania cheri barabomba kuwa bena ana bena magwathe gutigira batiko baitha
kubera ugu gutire muntu arothura aciaro akaribora kari kana aciariro araciarirwe tafadhali aciari menya bwithana babenu na aramejie myabo baingira nyomba bukiba batika umere Antoni baumerie wena uwezo kana utaine uwezo umeria mwana oyo na bare wantu bainge mono kana partners baomba kuya baomba utethia mwana oyo kila mwana murungu na mubangire mubango wake murute murete chukuru teno ya kamatungu school for the hearing impaired kana chukuru yengi ara mwana oyo mba utetheka akathomithwa na atwika mtu mwega ndene ya society no yetu yake
agitumira kagita gakuririkania thirikari ya county na thirikari nene gutigiri bawa kama chukuru maingi county-ini ino
ano tubachukue no baretire aga ya kamatungu special school kana kamatungu special for the hearing impaired na no tuchukue no ni nkai mono tafadhali no mbombe kuromba thirikari Ministry of Education yombe kuongera chukuru chingi nonto kwena ana baingi mono baithe na amaturani batakomba kwa access chance na nonto bwa distance tende chukuru eno newere agambuga kuma kuthi maturani kunto na ara kwa mwanya thira na yana kuma the whole county kwa un distance nda ya mono twamdi kwesi thirikari nene yombe kurugura chukuru chingi nyingi taino at least kenda kila mwana egwa ena equal chance ya kumba kupambana na maisha regardless of kwegwa aciariretwe ko kana ciero akariata
ikagitani waku mbona njage atariretie
fact challenge ira yingi twegwa tweneogo ndene ya kumenyera ana baba ibichi ira chanja wa ni nyingi mono rimwe na aciari betu batina uwezo kwa unu andombe kinya thirikari kaongera kinya subsidy kenda ana barabonde bainara miche bomba gumba wases kithomo bomba kuthoma bwega in addition to kwegwa twena kinya twandi kuna arimo baba ingi ba different specialities che special education kenda wakira mwana na depending na pengine challenge ira eneo maishani aomba kwegwa na kumenyerwa
tukeranirie na mwarimu munene chukuruni ino
gikundi kira kia nasi ba Tharaka Nithi beja ba tuketheria ana baria nabo bakenanira na ba turetera into ya ni bwa bakethia bwakenanira buri amwe na iba kugwirwa mono na narwo tugwiritwe mono kwithirwa turiongeri ni ageni bau ibo
nkiripotera Weru TV kuma chukuruni ya kamatungu for the deaf Peter wa Paul ugwa kabithe
gatukie kanya ga kunogoka banini tukathie noaku
Kerith Church of Kenya tunena kuguru gukunura Bishop JT Buria na Bishop Almaingi. Ni kiatho kiri kigatongerwo ni Bishop Edward Kirimi Buria Jumamosi tariki 13 mweri wa 5 na gikambire na musafara jwa mbandi ya Skaliba Prison kuma kamba kenjirene kwerekera kamba ke Christian Center na nyumene igongwa na Nteto cherukiri na gukujiro ni magirija family ya kanisa ya Kerith Kenya Meru County Bishops Forum oamwe na chore
na kuguro kwa tunakugio kunene kwa kiatho kiria gitura giki giukinya tuku Jumamosi kwambiria thaa 3 chiongwa irokethwa kuna procession kuma Kirami tunameta kamba Christian Center magirijanto atongeria you name them kwethwa tu kamba Christian Center. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you.
nandi no wikire ntumirie ku ya muchemanio kiatho kana ntu bagitumi ukwenda bukinyira mwingi amona ntumiri cia mathiko kiri kameme ka Weru FM 96.4 ntuko chionde na chiringi 15 akio kiugo ntumirie ku no urete studio cha Weru FM kirogine Meru mbere ya thaa 11 chiogoro ntuko chionde kana ringe na mbeji 0700 117026 no gatetheka ntumirije kathoma gwa themo chiogoro ontuko ni bwega no ntubagwite na mbere gutugwata mbaru ni batwe Weru bwaku atugukinyirie ntumwe kwari okwende kinya Weru FM 96.4 rumuri rwa Ameru
yetu sako iri na nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonzo bathirikari na kinya kambunira turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira bakugarura utoro bwaku gukurukira super mapato loan kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta utetwa shares na no uri runuru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waranire na tugukurukira namba yetu edimu 0711038000 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride.
Treat familia to unforgettable moments na Star Times. Usiwachwe nyuma. Cheki Hello Mr. Right kwa Rembo TV.
Saisi tall, dark and handsome. Ni mwanaume ni kiasi.
Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Picheko.
It's amazing.
Emotions.
Didn't I already tell you that I want you to be mine?
Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Drama kibao. Action ya kubamba. Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Entertainment kusuit kila budget na lifestyle. Download Star Times on ucheki favorite shows zako on the go. Star Times, enjoy digital life.
Soil acidity ikarikarira muthetu jwa kujwa thiriro ni regu na gutonywa ni acid. Rira muthetu jotonyaga acid nejo thiragia regu ya gitumi nejo enika uthondeki bobya kurakira imera ngugi ya gitumi ya muthetu ya nitrogen fixation neringeka na muthetu ijithira juru gwatine bothine ya soil erosion. Murimi tumira fomi fertilizers kire urimi bwaku kenda kuthiria thina soil acidity kenda kuingia maketha jaku. Ntumirieje ureteri ni fomi fertilizers kuma kwa Itracom fertilizers. Form ni fomi fertilizers.
Haringe inkogwate ogeni tukithina mbere ntitoni cietu ciezwa ogendi tawe Kipchumba Murkomen na ugite akethirwa kirutaniria wira na ukubi muno na ndwangi iria itongoretie rwangi-ini ruru tacio NTSC na kinyagia KEBS ni kenda kwagirithia ogendi barabara ni kirimieri ecite aria ugite gukethirwa gutina ntitikano na kinyagia mathina mangi barabarani.
By the 31st of punish the driver alone. But what happens to the person who... Second, on the third point was driver compliance. 2 weeks ago, on the floor of Parliament, certain measures... is not responsible. We have finalized our contractual engagement with the Kenya Institute of Curricular Development under the CBC program, where we have now developed in the final stages of the implementation within the next 10 months into the school curricula. Road safety is now going to be part of the school curricula. We only hope that our teachers don't ask our students to come with cars to school to test. But other than that, we need to teach our children how to do the basic functions around the road. We have invited everybody, but the weakest link is not in this room: enforcement. I wish we were talking if the police, the traffic police were here, so that we tell them what they do. But so long as you have left that out, you have left corruption out. It's the Kenya Bureau of Standards that must make sure that the standards of the products that come to the country are of the quality and standard that is required. It's unfortunate that the consumption in the transport sector of speed governors, of brake pads, of brake fluids, of tires is costing our people lots of money, to purchase the same product, but you cannot use it
for the period of time and the duration you require, making it even more expensive for the transport sector. I believe that we need to have another engagement as a sector together with Kenya Bureau of Standards. The court fines, again, we are going to be able to deal with this when instant fines and technology is applied, because the task force we are going to put in place soon will involve also people from the judiciary, so that we all agree on how this instant fining is going to be done to avoid the desire to always take people to court, or you must take people to court. But also, I think the judiciary is not close to conversation. And the transport sector, if you want me to do so, I can speak to the Chief Justice so that we can have a conversation between us and the judiciary.